When people are asked what is cryptocurrency, the majority of people still don't know, but people are more familiar with the name Bitcoin. This momentum is what Bitcoinasset wants to do, with the aim of repeating the history of Bitcoin 10 years ago. However, many do not know about Bitcoinasset. Therefore, we will discuss Bitcoinasset in detail. Let's start from the question, what is a Bitcoinasset? Bitcoinasset, as the name implies, Bitcoin assets. We hope that with the presence of BTA, all of us here can feel and get the momentum like Bitcoin from 10 years back. Bitcoin itself is the mother of all coins that exist today. Therefore, we also rely on Bitcoin to create the current euphoria of the market, but with advanced features and more complete protocols. We combine Bitcoin with the current development, namely protocol, DeFi, swap and NFT. Thus, BTA is a worthy asset be valued higher for the future as long-term investment assets just like Bitcoin. Not only Bitcoinasset, let's get acquainted with the modern protocol called Btachain. What is Btachain? The Btachain protocol was developed by the BTA team itself without the interference of any other protocol team. We have a reliable team in this field. The wallets used in Btachain can be synchronized to several protocols on the market eventually. When the price of tokens goes up to a higher level, every developer will start looking for our protocol and we will provide open source at GitHub for everyone. We do everything to present the best and friendly user interface both for common user and crypto developers. BTA itself will function as a utility token. In the next step, every token based on our protocol will enjoy other benefits of holding BTA token. This will be our win-win solution both for BTA community users, crypto developer, and user of other crypto developers based on the Btachain protocol. Our complete BTA protocol and ecosystem will be maximalized to allow the community and user to take advantage of the easy and low-fee BTA protocol. 1. Users are free to create any tokenization, financial products, and digital assets on BTA protocol. 2. Users can operate these in a simple UI and tooling ecosystem, user-friendly and great support system. 3. Provide NFT-based chain in BTA protocol for everyone as needed. 4. Our team will not stop innovating and providing all markets' needs.
Btachain protocol was built by an IT team who has been an expert in blockchain for more than 9 years, and has solid management with the knowledge of leaders who are experts in this field. With our presence, we believe that we can be a leader and market mover in the cryptocurrency market in the future, and has an IT team spread across several countries. The Btachain protocol will focus on the cryptocurrency-based financial sector, as well as a transparent bridge connecting transactions between blockchain networks. We always prepare for all major changes and welcome those changes by adapting to the new era of the cryptocurrency world. Innovation will always be prepared for future changes in the cryptocurrency market. Our motivation is that all people in this world can enjoy the euphoria of Bitcoin 10 years ago and can make BTA their long-term asset and enjoy the benefits of price increases and the ease of user interface and all the facilities that will be provided. We will apply the idea of Bitcoin itself and recreate history. That is what motivates us to provide BTA as a solution for those who have lost momentum or want to feel the glory of Bitcoin since its low price. Price is what you pay, value is what you get. If you buy Bitcoin 10 years ago, now you get your value of 50.000 times your initial. That's what we want to do the same with Bitcoinasset. Our vision is to be the leading protocol in the world and can provide market needs and always evolve and provide the best. Most sophisticated in its class. We are aware that to achieve this requires teamwork, both protocol providers, token developers, and the token community in the world. Therefore the synergy created must be mutually beneficial, starting from the point of view of price, quality, and convenience, and user satisfaction. The first mission is to make the Bitcoin asset is known by the world and eventually makes its price higher. After that, we also focus on efficiency and user-friendly of our protocol so that individuals and companies can make smart contracts under our protocol, with transfer transactions that are fast and low cost. The next mission is to give a complete ecosystem to the community and give a win-win solution to all parties involved. Our goal in 2025 is to be in the top 100 on CoinMarketCap with a capitalization of $20 to $50 billion. Of course, this goal can be realized with a limited amount of supply, with the support of the Btachain protocol equipped with smart contracts and strong community support. Also, we have several cooperation with exchangers from around the world. Reliable developers who join and develop their projects through our network, and support various ecosystem concepts that will make our goal become reality. Standard token that is in the Btachain protocol. Every token built under the Btachain network will be registered directly on the BTA20 chain network. BTA is an abbreviation for Bitcoinasset, which is officially launched by Btachain's team as the main cryptocurrency and main function for the Btachain protocol and transaction fee token creation. Here we use HPOS technology in our protocol. What is HPOS? Hybrid proof of stake. While most POS protocols are a deliberate departure from POW, some hybrid consensus mechanisms use elements of both POW and POS models to power on-chain operations. In most cases, these hybrid consensus mechanisms, HPS, rely on POW miners to generate new blocks housing transactions, which are then passed on to POS validators, which vote on whether to confirm the blocks and record them to the blockchain's ledger. HPS protocols can help stabilize the price of the network's native coin, and by allowing POS participants to vote on new blocks and changes to the network's consensus roles, miners are less likely to achieve a hash power monopoly. Therefore, by combining hashing power with stakeholder voting, HPS protocols can achieve an impressive level of network security and stability. Several notable projects have adopted a hybrid POW/POS consensus mechanism, including Dash and Decred, and Ethereum's upcoming Casper upgrade will transition the Ethereum network to a HPS model. A smart contract is a protocol that performs functions digitally and verifies every transaction that occurs in the smart contract. The perspective of smart contract tokenization is to facilitate automatic fund transfers between parties. Transfers between parties can occur if they meet several criteria that have been determined from the smart contract. BTA20 smart contracts are written using Solidity language. After they are written, tested, they can only compile into bytecode, then deployed and distributed through the Btachain network. After being deployed, smart contracts can be asked directly about functions through the address of the smart contract. The contract binary interface, ABI, application there will show functions and calls to interact with the network. For developers or users can connect to this smart contract using Web3 and perform interactions in it. To issue a smart contract, you must first have a Bitcoinasset, BTA, for the cost of issuing the smart contract and the fee for issuing the token to the wallet address. After the smart contract has been compiled, the EVM engine will read the compiled bytecode. Bytecode consists of parts for code deployment and Oxdata. Oxdata is a cryptographic fingerprint source as source code, which is used for smart contract verification. Bytecode executes the constructor function and prepares the initial storage variable. For complete information can be obtained through the complete documentation through the Bitcoinasset IO website. Verify and publish smart contract source code, https://btachain.com/verify contract. Once the BTA20 smart contract has been deployed, functions can be executed individually by connecting Web3 to the smart contract or via an API call. To change the function requires an order and must prepare a change fee. Functions can only be changed according to the compilation of the smart contract at the beginning. Absolute coding cannot be changed to add or reduce functions. When implementing, it must be ensured that the coding compiles as desired before it is implemented. The Solidity language used by Btachain is the Solidity of the Ethereum language, which can be said to be almost 100% compatible according to the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) instructions. Through the Btachain network, anyone can create tokens by spending a token creation fee of approximately 0.00157328 BTA, as the issuer must determine the supply amount in advance before the token is issued. The fee charged for token creation fluctuates depending on the transaction in the network at that time. BTA20 token is a technical standard for smart contracts implemented into the Btachain network. It is fully compatible with ERC-20. BTA20 token that has been implemented into the blockchain/has verified the contract cannot be changed by anyone, including the party who created the token. In the Btachain network structure, non-fungible token (NFT) is also available, where developers can also develop their projects through the Btachain network, the function of the non-fungible token, NFT. In Btachain, BTA 721 also has the same function as the ERC 721 token. Any developer who creates an ERC 721 token in the Ethereum network can also implement the source code into the Btachain network without changing anything. The difference will be seen in the contract address, functionally remains the same. A decentralized application, DApp, is a service that provides direct interaction between providers and end users providers through a blockchain or distributed ledger. A decentralized application is a service that runs on a peer-to-peer network of computers providing direct interaction between users and providers. As opposed to traditional centralized applications where code is run on centralized servers, decentralized applications are intended to operate in a manner not controlled by a single trusted entity. These properties make decentralized applications inherently more difficult to hack or coerce. The Btachain network is also available testnet for developers to test node interactions before being published/distributed to the mainnet network. Btachain server network nodes can be accessed worldwide. Btachain provides complete tools and guides to enable developers to make innovations to realize dApps, with a complete set of tools that make it easy for developers to test, implement and deploy smart contracts into their dApps. Developers can run the API without having to run the nodes themselves. This access can be obtained on the Btachain testnet or the Btachain mainnet. The Btachain environment allows developers to compile and deploy smart contracts quickly. Developers can create a local environment for testing smart contracts before entering the deployment stage. In the Btachain network there is a wide selection of API calls available in the JavaScript language. Bitcoinasset.io is a site that has been prepared and equipped with documentation guides specifically designed for developers who want to build their dApp through the Btachain network. Here everything is complete with details and easy to understand for interacting within the Btachain network. From the documentation will guide the developer from the initial stage to the final stage, to node setup, deployment and interaction with smart contracts. A how-to guide for implementing the API, creating a dApp example, using the respective developer tools. Low fees and fast transfer, in line with the development of public knowledge about crypto. It requires a low fee to make it easier for new users to enjoy easy and fast transactions. Likewise, large institutions carry out millions of transactions a day, thus our initial goal was to provide the lowest possible fee. Every Bitcoin asset transaction or token registered on Btachain is subject to a very low fee starting from 1 GWEI. This is the best offer from the Btachain protocol network, environmentally friendly. We learned from the previous Bitcoin network, where the blockchain only works if there are parties who are mining so that blocks are printed for transaction confirmation, and this old method requires an active computer for 24 hours and make it environment unfriendly. It consumes so much electrical energy. We have shifted to new method to our blockchain where it is designed to be environment friendly. The blockchain will run on the server constantly and also the block is automatically printed, without using a single party to run it. The new method in our blockchain will continue run on the server without having to active computer for 24 hours. It is so environment friendly. Friendly wallets. Our wallet address is very user friendly. Btachain is a fork of Ethereum, where the Ethereum wallet can function as a recipient/sender of Bitcoin, assets, coins or tokens under our network. The use of this simple wallet is a new breakthrough in the world of cryptocurrency, where people don't have to bother creating wallet addresses over and over again. Governance. In our Btachain network developers can build their own government through BTA 20 smart contracts, such as staking, lending, borrowing, etc., by deploying their smart contracts into our network. Cross-chain. Our blockchain structure is built by following the current era of blockchain technology. In our blockchain structure we have prepared a platform for developers to create smart contracts for cross-chain transactions. The Btachain network can be connected to various protocols with a bridge system built using smart contracts. Cross-chain transactions in our blockchain run transparently, openly, and can be monitored by anyone. This is to ensure transactions run openly and transparently. Milestone 2021. Achievements. 1. Top 1 trending on CoinMarketCap. 2. Price increase of up to 2.35%. 3. Highest market price $84.96. We're one step ahead to recreate the history of Bitcoin. Here are some of the milestones we have completed. March, official website has been launched. BSC, BEP20 smart contract has been launched. White paper and roadmap 1.0 version have been launched. Held airdrop giveaway token. Listed on PancakeSwap V1 liquidity locked. 1 year. Listed on CoinMarketCap and CoinPaprika. Listed logo and token name on Token Pocket, Math Wallet, Trust Wallet, April. Telegram price bot has been launched. BTA chain work has started. Long Asset NFT token has been launched. BTA farming staking at Long Asset platform has been launched. May, Btachain testnet has been launched. June, completion of Btachain user interface and user experience. Completion of token smart contract BTA20 testnet. Completion of token smart contract BTA 721 testnet. July, testnet has been completed. Testnet has been launched. August, mainnet infrastructure has been completed. Partnership proposal to stablecoins. Exchangers decentralized applications, dApps. Roadmap 2021, September, we have registered the company in Singapore. White paper roadmap v.2.0 launch, open source on GitHub, announce online media partnership, airdrop Bitcoin assets to the community, open proposal for developers to build the DeFi project, October, Btachain mainnet launch. BTA cross-chain transaction system launch, Bitcoinasset coin BTA protocol list to exchangers, working on development of Btachain ecosystem, DeFi, NFT, swap and etc. November, multi-token cross-chain transaction launch, December, end-of-year target, Bitcoinasset listing at least on 10 major exchanges worldwide, BTA protocol available at least on 10 dApps. Ecosystem has more than 1K, 10K projects under Btachain protocol, target market cap reach $1 billion. Roadmap 2022, coming soon, we will work on enlarging Btachain ecosystem to many sectors such as, exchanger, lending borrowing platform, IDO platform, decentralized exchanger, DX, wallet, Oracle and stablecoin, NFT, synthetic asset and data, and more projects coming up, tokenomics, liquidity pools, PancakeSwap V1, 4,800,000 BTA or 96% of the total supply, BTA BNB LP created, locked 1 year, March 23 th 2021, developers, 100,000 BTA or 2% of the total supply, BTA Long LP. Created, locked 1 year, April 17, 2021, development, branding marketing, 89,000 BTA or 1.78% of the total supply. Still not in use, giveaway to 10 lucky holders, 1,000 BTA or 0.02% of the total supply. Giveaway distribution March 27 until April 5, 2021. Conclusion: Btachain can be an alternative choice for developers to build their projects on the Btachain network because the BTA20 smart contract is simple to implement into the network without having to find a way to implement it. Btachain source code is highly compatible with EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine. Therefore, it is simple for the community to build their decentralized projects within the Btachain network with a very limited supply, which is only 5 million Bitcoinasset coins. BTA can be an alternative future crypto asset. In addition to the limited supply in the network, Btachain is a solution for token transactions with very low fees. Blockchain, which is equipped with protocols and limited supply, is the Btachain network.